Hello again, guys. This is Michael Cheek with Mike'sGuitarLessons.com. Now we're continuing with Ring of Fire, the original version, Johnny Cash's version, and we're on to the chorus. Now this is the second video for this song, so we're going to play the chorus, and you don't have any new chords to learn here. It's just going to be a different chord progression. So I want to actually play along with it with you again, so you can see me play the song, and then I'll actually go through it a little bit slower. Okay, so here's the chorus right here.
I fell into a burning ring of fire. I went down, 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 and the flames went higher, and it burns, burns, burns. The ring of fire, the ring of fire.
Okay, now that's the chorus. Sometimes there's one time in the song where he repeats it again, and that's the time he does it right there. He repeats the chorus one time before he goes back into the verse. So you just play everything again. So let me actually give you that chord progression, and I'm going to do like I did in the first video. I'm just going to say the lyrics, and I'm going to show you where to make your chord changes along with those lyrics. Now you'll have to recognize which chords I'm playing. So again, you've got the D chord here. This is the C chord, and this is the G chord. Okay? Now, let's go ahead and start on the chorus, and I'm just gonna have you follow along while I play these chords. Okay? So it starts off like this. As soon as you start the chorus, you're playing a D chord. Okay? So you're starting out on that, and you're gonna play, I fell into a burning ring of fire. I went down, 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 and the flames went higher. And it burns, 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 the ring of fire. Oh, and then D, ring of fire. Okay, let me do that one more time because I made a little bit of a mistake there. Okay, so I fell into a burning ring of fire. I went down, 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 and the flames went higher. It burns, 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 in the ring of fire, in the ring of fire. Okay? Now, one thing that is slightly different there is the strumming pattern. In the first video, I was playing the verse, and I was mainly using a strumming pattern that kind of looked like this. Kind of a real common down, down, up rhythm that you use with a whole lot of songs. Now this one I tend to strum a little bit different on certain parts. For instance, right when the chorus starts, I accent my downstrokes, meaning I hit those a little bit harder. So it goes, I fell into a burning ring of fire. I went down, 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 and the flames went higher. So you can see as I go to the other chords, I go back to that down, down, up, down, up. But on I fell into a burning and then I went down, 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 I'm playing it more. Okay, so if you want to play your own rhythm there, just play what's comfortable to you. But that's how I play it. So I kind of accent those downs. 1 and a 2. There we go. Camera was unfocused a little bit, I noticed. So I go 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. Then do the same thing on the D again. 1 and a 2 and a 4. And then 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and that's all the way through the chorus. Okay, now what I'm going to do here, so you can practice along with me, is with my computer here, I'm going to slow the song way down. And I'm going to play along with it so you can try to play along with me even though you're not full speed yet. And once you can play at full speed, then just play with the song normally. Okay? So let's go ahead and give that a shot.
I fell into
anytime the chorus is playing, you use that. And that's basically the song right there. So there's not a whole lot else to worry about. When you hear the trumpets come in right after the chorus, again, that's just that intro part that we learned in the first video. And towards the end of the song, he does repeat "In the Ring of Fire" a couple of times, and it's basically just going to the D and the G again. In the ring of fire, in the ring of fire, in the ring of fire. He's kind of fading out there, so he's just going D, G, D, G on that very last part. But there's not a whole lot to the song, so it's just a fun one to play and sing along with too if you like to sing. And I don't think there's anything left, so that'll be the last video unless I think of something else to add to it.